welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a thrift store haul. Obviously you guys, that's why you're here, is to watch this thrift store video. This is going to be my last thrift store haul video with Christmas items in it. I am completely burnt out now. I have kids at home right now. It's loud, it's crazy, and I have so much to do. So Presley's running back and forth with her stroller, so we'll see how this goes. The first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this is from Goodwill. Pretty much 99.9% of this is from Goodwill, except one thing. I don't even know if I showed you, but I wanted to show you because I'm gonna be DIYing with it. I don't know. Well, pick this up at Goodwill. This is $3.09. I think this is super cute. I almost like it the way it is, although I'm still gonna change it up just a tiny bit. But this is really cute. I'm not sure why this is here, but I don't know, I like it. I'm a sucker for these crates. The next thing is this little bear. This is really cute. He's just a little decoration. He was $2.09, and it's a little bear with a scarf. I don't know, I just think this is super, super cute. The next thing I picked up is this little, it's probably like a shelf. It was $2.09, and I think it'd be super cute to repurpose. So definitely keep eyes out for stuff like this at thrift shops, because I know some people wanted the Dollar Tree houses and they no longer have them, or they haven't had them for a while. But this is way better quality and it's a ton bigger. You can see how big it is next to my face. Really cute thing to repurpose. The next thing is this adorable little sleigh with 2 reindeer. This was $3.09 from Goodwill. As like I said, all this is from Goodwill except one thing. I love this. I love that it's plain wood, so you can paint it, you can leave it the way it is, you can add flowers, you can add presents, you can add whatever you want to it. I have an idea, but I'm not 100% on my idea. It looks like the person before me just added some eyelashes to this deer, but super cute little find, especially for Christmas. The next thing is this little sheep box. This was $2.09.
Mom?
Yeah, honey?
I'm gonna put the hat on.
Oh, yep, I'll put the hat on. The next thing is this little sheep box. Has little metal legs like this. He's so cute. This is obviously a mess, but I think you spray paint the whole entire thing like a white. Yeah, it's white. It'll be really cute. This thing was, I couldn't pass this up. This was $2.09. It reminds me of a chair I recently thrifted, and I love it. This thing actually smells horrific. Especially for wood. You'd think that wood wouldn't smell. I obviously don't really smell things like this, but it's bad. It smells like a basement. Definitely just gonna sand it down, get that stink out. This I picked up at a garage sale a while ago, but like I said, I wanted to show you guys because eventually I'm going to repurpose that on my channel. This was actually brand new. It was $2, and it was from my regular 10. It has these little apples. I'm hoping I can pull these little guys off. But it's really cute. Comes with some greenery. Definitely going to rip this out, figure something new out, but I love these little toolbox type things.
Oh,
Yep, okay. The next thing is this Christmas tree. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will have seen that I picked up another Christmas tree at Goodwill recently. So here it is. Okay, you can't really see. Okay, so it's a Christmas tree. It has lights. I don't know if they work. I haven't tried them. I accidentally broke this when I was at Goodwill. This was $6.09, and it has this cute little base. But I held it and I picked it up, and this ripped out down here. So there's like a little piece right here that ripped out, but I think if I just take some glue, I can just super glue or hot glue it into there. No big deal, but it is probably about, I want to say about 3 foot high, 4 foot high, and I cannot wait to redo this. It's gonna be so stinking cute. And the very last thing is this table. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen some pictures of me. Hey, don't. And the last thing is this table right here. This is so cute. It's super heavy. It's such good quality. This was only $4.09. I love this. This would be cute in a living room, a bathroom. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. It'd be cute regardless. But you guys, that's it for my thrift store haul. I know it's a lot shorter than normal, but my gosh, you guys, you've got to see my craft room someday. I can't even use it right now. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I will leave a playlist in my description box of all my trash to treasure videos, my thrift store hauls. They're all gonna be in there. So if you guys want to check out things that I've done recently, things that I've hauled recently, it'll be in that playlist for you guys. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Presley is still strolling with her babies, so there's nothing I could do. And see you next video. Bye.